This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Lexus ES 250 key battery. You can easily replace a dead key fob battery yourself, saving both time and money. This simple process requires only a few common household items and takes just a few minutes to complete. Let's get started and restore full functionality to your key fob. To begin, gather your essential tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, or even a small coin can work. Crucially, have a fresh CR 2032 lithium coin battery ready. This is the standard type for many Lexus key fobs. Before you start, make sure your hands are completely dry to prevent any moisture from affecting the internal electronics. Now, let's open the key fob. First, find the small release button on the side of your key fob and press it firmly. This will allow you to slide out the mechanical emergency key. Once the key is removed, you'll see a small slot. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this opening and gently twist to separate the two halves of the key fob. With the key fob open, carefully remove the old battery. Notice that the positive, or plus, side is typically facing upwards. Insert your new CR 2032 battery, ensuring the plus side is facing up, just like the old one. Align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until you hear a secure click. Finally, slide the mechanical key back into place and test all buttons to confirm your key fob is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.